Good morning, everyone. I am Mrs. Priyanka Gupta and I welcome you all back. And today we are going to start with chapter 6 of class 8th, subject science. Chapter 6, that is combustion and flame. Now, in this chapter, first of all, children, open your book, page number 85. Open your book, page number 85. And now, in this chapter 6, combustion and flame, we will discuss about these topics in detail. We will learn about these topics, right? So the first topic that we will study in under combustion and flame is that is combustion. Then we will study about how to control fire, right? Then the third one is what? Fuels. Then next is the flame. Then next is wicks in the lamps. Then the last topic is chemical history of candle. So these are the topics, these are the headings which will cover under the chapter that is combustion and flame. So these are the topics which we are going to discuss in detail in this chapter. So now we will start. So now the first topic, that is combustion. Now if we'll talk about combustion, combustion is the chemical process in which anything burns, right? Combustion is the type of chemical process in which the thing burn in the presence of air, in which the things burns in the presence of air and reacts with oxygen so that it can be burn with flame and heat, and it reproduces the heat, right? Now see here, if we'll talk about fuel, all the burning materials, all the materials which burns, that is called the fuel, right? This we have studied in the previous chapter also. So whatever thing that burns, we generally call it fuel, right? तो here in combustion chapter, if we'll talk about combustion, अगर हम लोग combustion की बात करते हैं, तो the things, if like examples is given in the book, right? Like there are various fuels like coal, charcoal, wood, cow dung, vegetable oils, kerosene, petrol, diesel, LPG, CNG. So these are the different type of fuels which can become under the type of combustion also. Type of combustion, right? So now if we'll talk about these different type of fuels, so when they burn, so sometimes they produces heat, sometimes they produces flame, sometimes they are good, sometimes they are not good. So this we will all discuss in this chapter. Now the first thing is what? Where something burns in combustion, if we'll talk about generally combustion, तो combustion में क्या होता है? When anything burns, तो sometimes it produces a hissing type of voice, or you can say hissing type of sound, or sometimes it produces a explosion type of sound, sometimes it produces a crackling type of sounds. जैसे क्रैकर्स में आवाज़ होती है, तो वैसी ही आवाज़ कभी कभी बर्न, जब हम लोग कोई चीज़ बर्न करते हैं तो कंबशन में वैसी आवाज़ वी आर एबल टू हियर. तो दीज आर द टाइप्स ऑफ कंबशन. जब कंबशन में कोई चीज़ बर्न होती है तो किस टाइप के साउंड्स प्रोड्यूस होते हैं, दिस इज डिस्कस इन द फर्स्ट पॉइंट. Now see the second point, the flame on a burner in which LPG or CNG is on fire produces only heat, blue flame and little of light. Now if we'll talk about the CNG and LPG, as you all know that LPG is the liquefied petroleum gas and CNG is the compressed natural gas, right? So these are the type of gases. This also can be burned, this also comes under the fuel, this also comes under the type of combustion. But when it burns, so it produces what? It produces a blue flame with a light. It produces blue flame with a light. Now the third point is what? Earlier in the previous class we have learnt about the burning of ribbon of magnesium. When the tip of the magnesium ribbon is kept on flame, it takes a little time to get heated and then it starts burning with a brilliant flame with glow liberating heat and light and produces white smoke. So again here this is the this is the third point under combustion, in which it is talked about magnesium. Magnesium in the previous class, this we have discussed कि मैग्नीशियम व्हेन इट बर्न्स तो इट प्रोड्यूसेस अ वाइट स्मोकी टाइप ऑफ फ्लेम. तो अगेन दिस कम्स अंडर द टाइप ऑफ combustion because again it produces what? It burns and it produces a smoky type of flame. So these are the types which comes under the combustion. Now further we will discuss about the topic that is combustible and non-combustible substances. Now if we'll talk about the combustible substances, substances which burns, which produces light, which produces flame, which produces heat, comes under the combustible substances, right? Those substances which can be easily burned and it produces heat, light, temperature. So this comes under what? This comes under the combustible substances. And the substances which on which burning they do not produce light, flame, heat, or they do not burn, they come under the non-combustible substances, right? Combustible substances में क्या होता है? Substances which can be burned, that comes under the combustible substances, and substances which cannot be burned, that comes under the non-combustible substances. Hope I am clear till this much. Or you can also say substances which can catch fire easily. Substances which can catch fire easily, that comes under the combustible substances, and substances which do not catch fire, they call the non-combustible substances. In example for combustible substances, अगर हम लोग combustible substances का example लेंगे तो इसमें हम लोग का क्या हो सकता है? पेपर हो सकता है, कोल हो सकता है, स्ट्रॉ हो सकता है, डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ फ्यूल्स हो सकते हैं, coal, magnesium, charcoal. So these are the types of combustible substances. Why? Because they easily catch fire. जब भी हम लोग इन substances को fire के पास ले जाएंगे तो it easily catches fire. That's why it is called the combustible substances. And non-combustible substances का if we talk about the example of non-combustible substances, तो sand, like sand, water. तो अगर हम लोग these substances like water and sand, अगर हम लोग इसको फायर के पास ले भी जाएंगे तो it won't catch fire. That's why this is called the non-combustible substance, because non-combustible substance they won't catch fire. And these are the example like water and sand. These comes under the non-combustible substances. Hope I am clear, very much clear to you all. Now further we'll move, and the next topic is the types of combustion, right? Now see here, in types of combustion there are three types of combustion. So the first one is the explosive combustion. Explosive combustion means क्या हुआ? It means just like we can take the example of cracker. Cracker, you all know about cracker. Cracker हम लोग generally जब हम लोग का festival आता है दिवाली, तो हम लोग दिवाली में people used to crack crackers, right? तो जो crackers होते हैं तो these are the types of explosive combustion. Clear? Then the next one, इसमें क्या explosive crackers में क्या होता है? Generally it produces light, it produces heat, it produces flame, and you also can say sparkles, type of sparkles. So this comes under the explosive type of combustion. Crackers is the example of explosive combustion. Now the second type, next type is a spontaneous combustion. A spontaneous combustion में we can take the example of matchstick. Matchstick में क्या होता है? You all have seen match boxes. Match boxes means होता है matches की डिब्बी जो होती है. Everyone's home it is present. Matches की डिब्बी, that is called the match box. तो this comes under the spontaneous type of combustion. बिकॉज इसमें क्या होता है, जब हम लोग मैच स्टिक को लेते हैं और मैच बॉक्स के साइड में ब्राउन कलर की जो स्ट्रिप होती है उस पर हम लोग ऐसे करते हैं, जस्ट मतलब एक थ्रू करते हैं मैच स्टिक का, और वहाँ पे क्या होता है तुरंत स्पार्कलिंग होती है फायर की. तो दिस टाइप ऑफ explosion is called the this type of combustion is called the spontaneous combustion. This is the second type. Now the third type is the रैपिड कंबशन में हम लोग किसका एग्जाम्पल लेंगे? वी कैन टेक द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ पेट्रोल, डीजल, कुकिंग गैसेस. तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है? दिस कम्स अंडर द रैपिड कंबशन. जैसे हम लोग इसमें इग्नीट करते हैं मैच स्टिक या लाइटर, तो तुरंत क्या होता है? फायर क्रिएट हो जाती है. तो दिस कम्स अंडर द रैपिड टाइप ऑफ कंबशन. इट इज़ जनरली फाउंड इन पेट्रोल, कैम्फर, कुकिंग गैस, इन सारी चीज़ों में होता है. Then the next fourth type of combustion is the slow combustion. Slow combustion किस में होता है? This comes under the wood, coal, charcoal. तो इन सब में क्या होता है? अगर इसको हम लोग बर्न करेंगे, if we will burn these things like wood, charcoal, these types of things, तो it catches fire but slowly, very slowly. तो these comes under the slow type of combustion. बहुत धीरे धीरे fire catch होता है, तो this comes under the slow combustion. So these are the 4 types of combustion. Hope I am clear to you all. Now we will discuss the next topic, that is conditions necessary for combustion. What are the conditions necessary for combustion? अगर हम लोग combustion करेंगे, किसी भी चीज़ को burn करते हैं, तो उसके लिए कैसा condition होना चाहिए, the condition which is necessary for combustion. Now this we are going to study in this condition necessary for combustion. Now in conditions necessary for combustible substance, the first condition that is necessary, that is the combustible material. Like here it is written condition necessary for combustion. तो combustion के लिए जो conditions necessary होती है, तो there are 3 types of condition which is necessary for combustible. For combustion there is 3 types of conditions necessary. So the first thing that is necessary for combustion is the combustible material. Why? Because if there is a non-combustible material is present, suppose if sand or water is present, then there is no combustion possible. So for combustible material should be combustible, like paper, straw, coal, charcoal, wax. तो gases, different type of gases, magnesium. तो first and foremost thing that is necessary for condition necessary for combustion is combustible material should be present, right? Then second condition which is necessary for combustion is air, or you can say oxygen. Because for example, suppose if you burn a candle, अगर आप एक कैंडल बर्न करते हो और उसके ऊपर you just put a lid, right? तो जब तक लिड के अंदर ऑक्सीजन रहेगा, till that time the candle will burn, and after the supply cut off of oxygen, the candle will be switched off or candle will be light off, right? तो again oxygen, or you can say air, is necessary condition for combustion, because till the time air is present, oxygen is present, till the combustion will be going on process. जब तक एयर ऑक्सीजन प्रेजेंट रहेगा तब तक कंबशन क्या रहेगा? कंटिन्यूस प्रोसेस में अपना वर्कआउट होता रहेगा, राइट? Then the third condition that is necessary, that is the ignition temperature. Now first of all, what is ignition temperature? Ignition temperature is the lowest temperature at which substances catches fire. Ignition temperature is the lowest temperature, you can say, at which the substances catch fire. सबसे जो लोएस्ट टेम्परेचर होता है जिसपे कि सब्सटेंस फायर को कैच करता है, दैट टेम्परेचर इज कॉल्ड द ignition temperature. तो these are the 3 conditions which is necessary for combustible process. तो इसमें क्या क्या चीज़ें थी? Again we are revising. The first one is combustible material should be present. Second thing is what? Air and oxygen supply should be at proper level. Then third one is the ignition temperature.